misunderstood if you have forgotten about Steven Stamkos. The 5 full healthy seasons in which the Lightning captain skated circles around his NHL competition, to the tune of 2 scoring titles and an inspired Stanley Cup final run, has largely left a hockey fan's psyche. But Stamkos, befallen by the injury-ridden stretches in between, including most of last season, is ready to remind everyone he's back. More to make of the Lightning, one of the NHL's most intriguing teams, after appearing in 410 consecutive games scoring at a 1.04 points per game clip to start his career. Stamkos has fallen off that once-dominant pace in the last 4 seasons, playing just 207 games, regular and postseason combined, before breaking his leg in 201,314. He was off to an impressive start. The same could be said of the 17 games he got in last year until tearing the meniscus in his knee November 15. In spite of Stamkos' absence, Tampa nearly recovered from a bottoming out, narrowly missing the playoffs. It was thanks to career years from Nikita Kucherov and Victor Hedman, who emerged to accept the mantle from Stamkos as bona fide stars and perennial award contenders at their respective positions. With Stamkos back and healthy as a full participant throughout camp, the Lightning's top-end talent rivals any in the league. More fantasy hockey top 200 rankings. The questions are centered on depth and defense. Jonathan Drouin is gone, dealt to Montreal for defensive help in 19-year-old Mikhail Sergachev, who seems ready to break into the NHL. Andrei Vasilevskiy, only 23 himself, will handle the full-time workload in net for the first time. The signing of Dan Girardi made no sense, but he may not see enough ice time to ruin everything. The Lightning have the look of a mature contender ready for a serious run at the Stanley Cup. Tampa Bay Lightning schedule 201,718. The Lightning open the 201,718 season at home October 6 against the Panthers, the first game in a home tandem with their Florida rival on back-to-back nights. In fact, that first month includes 3 meetings between the two, with 1 solitary game in that season's series set aside for March. The Lightning see a difficult travel schedule in the first half of the year. They'll cover 41,719 miles in total this season, about average, and face an 8-game road trip straddling January and February. That should even out in March and April, with a healthy dose of home cooking, to close out the season. More Stanley Cup odds for all 31 teams. Lightning's key off-season additions: Chris Kunitz free agent, Dan Girardi free agent, Mikhail Sergachev trade. Lightning's key off-season departures: Jonathan Drouin trade, Jason Garrison expansion draft. Lightning's projected lineup: forwards Vladislav Namestnikov, Steven Stamkos, Nikita Kucherov, Ondrej Palat, Tyler Johnson, Braden Point, Chris Kunitz, Alex Killen, Ryan Callahan, Michael Bernival, Cedric Paquette, Gabriel Dumont.